Hi, my name's Elizabeth and I'm going to be giving you a tour of RMIT's amazing art spaces. RMIT was founded in 1887 and this building, like many others, are heritage listed. This belongs to the School of Art. It's an important part of Melbourne's history, so let's go take a look. This Gothic style building was built in 1890 and it has beautiful stained glass windows that make it really inspiring to display and create our artwork. RMIT is ranked #1 for art and design in Australia and among the top 15 for art and design in the world. Our fine arts program allows us to specialise and practice with different mediums for whatever we're passionate with. So let's go take a look at our drawing studio. Our drawing studios have amazing spaces for our students to work individually, and we are lucky enough to have some of the best drawing facilities and studios in Australia. Now these are our beautiful painting studios where students can work on their own works in individual spaces and are supported by our amazing tech team who can give advice on technical processes and materials to use. Here in our gold and silversmithing studios, students learn traditional and contemporary metal technologies. They're taught by artists, jewellers and craftspeople and are taught a range of techniques such as soldering and 3D printing. These jewellers' spaces and benches, we're really fortunate to have all this equipment and technology ready to use for all our students. This is the ceramic studio where students can experiment, design and conceptualise with clay. The room is equipped with pottery making wheels, we've got gas and electric fire kilns as well as a mould making area that students can use to explore different techniques and processes. This is the video studio where video art students get to experiment with installation, performance, animation and live art. We have a range of specialist equipment that we can use that's available to us to use without the space. Studies in sculpture include modelling and model making, as well as bronze casting and a variety of other experimental uses. In these sculpture facilities, we have a range of workshops, as well as an industry standard foundry. In case you didn't know, the foundry is used to start the bronze casting process. The students here will start with the wax moulds, which will later get translated into bronze. The print studio offers technologies such as traditional analogue presses as well as contemporary digital printing. There is a variety of individual studios as well as a communal workshop like this one where students are encouraged to experiment with different concepts and processes. The studies include screen printing, lithography and etching. And remember, if you have any questions about studying, feel free to reach out to our friendly team at Study at RMIT.